On today's video, we're going to take a candles website, which is not amazing yet, and we're going to turn it amazing. Let's rock and roll. Hey everybody, what is up? My name is Ron. Welcome back to Flux, and today we're going to do a redesign. So every week we ask people like you on our Instagram to submit website that you want us to redesign, and we're kind of working through what's not working with them and how we can make them better. I want to show you an example right now. So here's a candle website that was submitted to us. Let's try to look at this, at least at the hero section, and try to break down what's not working and how we can make this better. So the first thing here is what's up with the headline, right? The website is called Loomcore Candles. That's the brand name, and that's also the headline. Why do I need to read this twice? Is this adding any value to me? Do I learn anything new about the candles by reading this? When I go into the title, it says handcraft soy candles. It gives us more information, but the actual title itself, it's meaningless. So let's see if we can improve this. The headline is super important when you're visiting a new website. So the second thing is these candles looks pretty well, but unfortunately there's a very low resolution image. The product shot, they didn't take enough energy into making this. This looks like a premium product, but just this image makes it look like cheap and not well designed, right? It doesn't correlate with a premium brand. So how can we make this better? Now, even though we can't personally right now go and photo shoot these things, they're actually pretty simple candles, so maybe there's a way we can work on that. Hey friends, sorry for the interruption. This is me, Ron, from the future. Back when I recorded this, I forgot that if you're watching this during Black Friday, then we have an amazing promotion for Flux Academy programs. Make sure to check the link below this video. Sorry for the interruption. Enjoy the rest of the video. Now, the last thing is, it kind of lacks the brand presence, right? Although we can see from the labels of the images that they're using the golden color, they're using black, and it kind of feels like the candles themselves feels branded, but then the website, it just kind of looks like a template, right? It's got no colors, it's just white background, there's nothing much into it. There's no, the type feels pretty default, so there's no kind of brand essence looking at this website. So, are you ready for the redesign? 1, 2, 3, bam. So here's the redesign. This was actually designed by Ismail on our content team. And let's dive into what he did here and how he made this look so good. By the way, if you like this redesign, if you want us to do more redesign, make sure you like this video so we know you want to see more of these redesigns. Let's break it down. So the first thing is he added the brand colors. We could see from the labels that they like working with black and gold, so we made black the kind of the dominant color. We used it as a background, and we used the golden one as kind of the accent. We're using it as the call to action button and also in the logos a little bit just to bring in that little golden feeling into the website. Now, the second thing, which might be actually the first thing that you're looking at, is these beautiful renders of the candles themselves. So from pretty crappy photo shoot of the product to a really nice 3D rendering. And this was actually done with Adobe Dimension, which Ismail is so passionate about. He's diving into it and exploring it because obviously at the end of the day, these candles are basically just cylinders. So you can take a circle, you extrude it, you just add kind of a texture on it with the labels of the candle, and it looks pretty good. So this render, which was made again with Adobe Dimension, we have it together with our Adobe subscription. So it's part of our toolkit as it is. Adds so much into the feeling of the website. And the last thing that you'll notice is the typography. So he chose a really nice, fancy looking typeface. I actually don't really know the name of this typeface that he used in the headline, but it looks very premium. That combined with the colors and with the rendering makes this website look very premium. And he also reworked the headline, right? So candles that feels as good as they look. He kept the subtitle just as it was before, handcrafted soy candle, but he did create a headline that engages you and puts down he chose to go with the feeling, how these candles make you feel, right? But it tells a story, and now the website is so much more meaningful. So note, there's multiple elements besides the way that it looks much better. It also tells a better story. Also added a call to action button. Now we can actually click to shop them. So everything here works really, really much better. Let me know in the comments below if you like this one, if you like us to see more of these redesign, if you learned something from it, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.